Are these kind of like the vending machines overseas? It's similar, right? I'm at an airport and this is a Smart and Go vending machine type thing. It's got some little essentials, yogurt, salads, sandwiches, and granola with yogurt, chips, snacks, candy, drinks. Oh, they have cheer wine. Maybe I'll get some M&Ms to see how it works. Swipe your credit card to open each door and shop. Wait for the lights to come on. Oh, so this is kind of like the Amazon thing. So those are the instructions. I can do this. So here we are. Is this working? It's supposed to be wireless. And it's not working. Oh, that's not the right one. I don't want the sandwich. Okay, this is the one I want because I want the candy. When I open it, the peanut M&Ms are $5.49, which is very pricey, but we are in an airport, so there we go. And that's it, and then the light turns off, and I'm done. And I think I can get a receipt if I want to, so let's see. And you swipe your credit card to get the receipt. There you go. Apparently it's supposed to print a receipt. I have no idea. No receipt is happening. Please remember to close the door if you finish shopping, but I didn't shop. I want the receipt. Trying one more time. Okay. I don't think I'm going to get a receipt. Yeah, there's no receipt. But that's okay. We're going to log out.